Me and Liquid Drano go way back. I remember sitting in the kitchen, and whenever my mother and grandmother were cooking, when they had a clog, they used to always reach underneath the cabinet and grab their old trusty bottle of Liquid Drano. So naturally, I grew up using it. But I never questioned what was in it and am I using it safely? So I decided to make a video. In this video, we're gonna dive into its ingredients, how it clears clogs, and tips for safe, effective drain cleaning. What is inside of Liquid Drano Max Gel that makes it so potent? First up, it has sodium hydroxide inside of it. In a simpler term, it has lye. Lye is a strong and powerful ingredient because it eats through hair, soap scum, and even grease like a beast. Our next ingredient is sodium silicate. Sodium silicate is a slow-moving gel that protects your pipes from corrosion. And it's a proprietary surfactant blend that goes where it's needed, right where the clog is. Once I found out the ingredients in Liquid Drano Gel Max was so strong, I'm going to suggest some caution. That's something that I've never done, but from now on I will. Put on a pair of safety glasses to protect your eyes from spills and splashes. And put on a pair of gloves to protect your hands because the ingredients in it are strong and your skin can become irritated. And it's always to practice safety first. Another thing you can do to practice safety is make sure your room is well ventilated. Open up a window and turn on a fan, because Liquid Drano Gel Max can have a little bit of fumes that can irritate your eyes and your throat. Keep Liquid Drano in a safe place. We don't want our pets or our children being exposed to it. Am I right, sweetie?
Yes, you are.
All right, everybody, my sink is unclogged and I hope yours is too. Liquid Drano is a powerful clog removal, and it's always best to remember safety. I can't emphasize it enough. Always ventilate your house when you're using it, wear a pair of safety glasses and gloves, and make sure you keep it away from your children and pets. And if you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below and like the video, subscribe to the channel for more tips. Hey, I'm Brown, you've been great. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.